Everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you a new way of making money online. This is going to be done completely passively. You just need a little bit of investment. You can do it all over the world again. You have nothing to do but just to invest a little bit. The more you invest, the better, but you can just invest the minimum amount, and I'll tell you what it is later during the video. You'll make money every day and you can withdraw money anytime you want as well. So let's go.
Okay, so the website we want to go to is called Terminal 7, and you just need to type t7.sbs, but I'll leave the link below as well. Then you'll just simply have to register. So you'll go to login, and then it's gonna prompt you to register, create an account. So you need an invitation code, and I'll leave the code below as well. If you want to register, you can use it for sure. And once you are registered, you'll have to verify your email address. So don't forget to do that. Super simple. It's going to be on the top right here. It's going to be, if you click here on the small man here, you'll be able to verify the address. So what is Terminal 7? Terminal 7, it's pretty much bots, a crypto bot that's going to trade for you in 140 crypto exchanges at once. So it's going to pretty much guarantee you a profit every day. And you have different services you can choose from. So, first of all, I wanted to point out that the minimum investment on one of the system, one of the bot is $50, and in a few of them actually it's going to be $50. So those are the products they have. So you have the quick investment, and you need to put a minimum of $50. So it works in USDT. Bear in mind that one USDT equals one USD, and you can definitely buy USDT using Binance, which is fairly famous. It's available pretty much everywhere. So if you don't have a Binance account, I'll leave the link below as well, but it's fairly simple. You'll go here, buy crypto USDT, and you can use a credit debit card. And here I'll show you as well the equivalent. So 100 USD, let's say you want to buy USDT right here. Let's do it again. So it's going to be 96.50. It's probably because of some interest, but yeah, it is equivalent. As you can see, estimated price is that, right? So this is how you can buy your USDT, and you can send it here on your platform, on your trading bot platform. So let me show you the different products they have. So they have that quick investment one, so you can deposit a minimum amount of 50 USDT, and the current profit is, let's say, 1%. It's 0.98%, which is pretty much 1%. So if you go here, so this is your platform, your terminal, your portal. The quick investment is going to be right here. So let me show you. So if you deposit here, you're going to deposit your USDT. Don't forget to use the right network. So you'll have to use that network on Binance, let's say, or you can use KuCoin or uh, BitsGap or whatever other exchange you have. So use the right network on both. I recommend using that one, the TRC20. Um, so you'll just copy the wallet address right here. You'll put it on your Binance account. When you want to transfer, you put that address using the same network, and it's going to come right here. So what's cool is that the interest you're making, so the interest of 0.0091%, you get it every 7 minutes in your account. So your account is growing. So per day, it tells you here per 24 hours, you're making 0.65% right now. So if you just leave it over there, it's gonna grow every single day. So every single day you'll make right now it's per 24 hours that much. So the more money you have, the more money you'll make every day. And you'll get to a point where you'll make a lot more money than what you started with if you do not touch your account. So this is with the quick investment one. Then you have the other products where you need to put a little bit more money. So let's say this one, the inter-exchange arbitrage, you have to put a minimum amount of 2,500 USDT, and the minimum you can withdraw is 50 USDT. So same for all of them. The minimum you can withdraw is 50 USDT, and the deposit for the minimum one, the minimum deposit is that. So if you don't have a lot of money to invest, and I would not recommend investing a lot of money anyways, I'm not a financial advisor whatsoever, and I'm just here to give you some ideas of new ways of making money online or to grow your money. And this is one way, because that's literally a way of making passive income. You just need to let your money grow in the background. So I would recommend putting the minimum amount or 100 USDT to start with and see how it goes. So this is how it's gonna work. And if you go here to the quick investment, you'll see that yeah, it's using a lot of exchanges here, and you don't need to know anything about crypto or the exchanges, nothing at all. You just put the money, let the bot work for you. It's doing it for you. That's it. So the other products, so you need to invest a little bit more money, and you're making a little bit more as well. As you can see here, this one is giving you a profit of 1.33%. You have the triangle arbitrage, 1.21%, and again you have to invest $2,000. So as you can see, the more you invest, the more you'll make. And you have the signals. Signals, you make a profit of 1.12% of your investment per day. And here, okay, for the different products, for some of them you'll have to leave the money for a minimum amount of days. Here it's 8 days, 11 days for this one, 14 days here. And this one, there's no restriction whatsoever. I mean, you can literally withdraw your money tomorrow. If you deposit $50, you can withdraw 50 USDT minimum, so you can take your money back the next day if you want to. If you want to withdraw money, same thing. You just go here, withdraw, use the right network, put your wallet address from your Binance account or Coinbase, KuCoin, whatever. Coinbase, no, because it's going to be USDT. So an exchange that uses USDT, and then you can transfer it back to your bank account if you link your bank account, your card or whatever to your exchange. And yeah, you just put the amount. There's a commission here, as you can see, and that's it. You withdraw, and that's gonna go back to you. So that's how you would do it. So if you don't know anything about crypto, you don't want to study the charts. I mean, I'm gonna show you the charts, and you probably don't want to study that, right? You can do it manually. You can literally trade manually if you wanted to. This is a trading chart, and you'd have to see, okay, the price is here. The next target would be, I don't know, right here, or it could go down, blah, blah, blah. I mean, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of headache. It's a lot of stress. So if you just want to make money and you don't want to study, I recommend using a bot, but I would also recommend not investing a lot of money if you don't have a lot of money to lose, because we are talking about trading, and trading is tricky. You can make money, a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot of money, and we're not here to gamble, and you don't want to lose money that's important to you. So if you use that system, please invest what you're comfortable with as well losing. Nobody wants to lose money, but I would rather just lose $50 than $5,000. Let's put it that way. So if you've tried it, please leave me a comment below. Let me know how it goes or how it went. If you don't recommend this, you've tried it already, you didn't like it, let me know. I'm sure everybody wants to know your experience, if it was a good or a bad one. So don't hesitate to comment below. And that's it for today's video. But just to let you know that your money grows over time. So if you put $100, tomorrow you'll make a dollar, an extra dollar. The next day you'll make an extra dollar. The next day an extra dollar. So your balance is gonna grow without you having to study or to do anything with it. You just need to live it. So I would recommend you to using the quick investment, because you can take your money right away if you want to. If you want to take it tomorrow, you can do that. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you have any comments, please don't hesitate to comment below, and I'll see you on the next video.
I hope you like my flowers. But anyways, thanks for watching the video. I hope it was useful. If it was useful, please give me some thumbs up. If you've tried the website already, comment below, let me know how it went. And I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online. See you guys.